Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to enable Assistive Touch on iPhone. To enable Assistive Touch on iPhone, the first thing you have to do, you have to open up your settings on your iPhone. As you can see, this is the settings on this iPhone. Once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, I want you to scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down a little bit, tap on touch. So let's tap on touch. So once you tap on touch, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, if you check the top here, we have where it says Assistive Touch. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on the Assistive Touch, it will load up another page for you. On this page, if you check the top, you are going to see where it says Assistive Touch. At the front of that Assistive Touch, you can see it is showing white, which means this is turned off. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will turn green. So this is how you can actually enable your Assistive Touch on your iPhone. As you can see, this is the Assistive Touch. As you can see, it is now working on this iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on the Assistive Touch for your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.